The Oliver 4-seat wall hugger Motion Reclining Sectional from CHITA Living blends style, comfort, and functionality into a single elegant piece. This modular sectional promises to elevate your living space while offering unmatched convenience and features designed for modern lifestyles. Let's dive into its unboxing, design, and performance. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Unboxing experience. The Oliver Sectional is an exciting experience, with everything carefully packaged to ensure safe delivery. Inside the box, you'll find modular sectional pieces, including 2 recliners and a console, a user manual with detailed assembly instructions, necessary tools for a straightforward setup. With CHITA Living's white glove service, your sofa is assembled and positioned exactly where you want it, taking the hassle out of the process. Design and build quality. The Oliver Sectional is a masterpiece of design and durability. Neutral creamy gray upholstery perfectly complements various interiors, from modern to traditional. Zero-wall recliner design reclines fully without requiring extra clearance, making it ideal for compact spaces. Dimensions. Its deep and wide seats provide ample comfort, while its sleek profile ensures it doesn't overpower your room. The sturdy kiln-dried wood frame, made from FSC-certified pine and plywood, ensures lasting durability. Performance and features. 1. Reclining mechanism. Effortlessly adjust the reclining angle with the push of a button. The smooth and quiet motor allows for seamless transitions. 2. Integrated charging ports. Built-in USB and Type-C ports keep your devices powered, making the sectional perfect for modern tech lifestyles. 3. Comfortable and durable upholstery. The linen-like fabric resists snags and stains while maintaining a soft texture. High-density foam and a blend of fibers and feathers provide ultimate comfort and support. User-friendly features. The console adds an extra layer of convenience with hidden storage for remotes, books, or other essentials, built-in cup holders for added functionality during movie nights or gatherings. Conclusion. The Oliver 4-seat wall hugger Motion Reclining Sectional is a perfect blend of luxury, practicality, and modern design. From its zero-wall reclining technology to its built-in charging ports and pet-friendly fabric, this sectional offers thoughtful features that cater to diverse needs. Whether you're looking to create a cozy living room, retreat, or a functional entertainment space, the Oliver Sectional is an exceptional choice. Explore the Oliver collection by CHITA Living and redefine your comfort today. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.